We guide you through how to find downloads on any Android phone so you can easily access the files you save, whether they are photos, videos, PDFs, apps, or documents. First thing you need to do is to open your Files or File Manager app. This comes pre-installed on most Android devices. And on Samsung, it's usually called My Files, while on Google Pixel and many others, it's simply Files by Google. Once you open it, look for the downloads or download folder, which is normally shown right on the main screen under categories like images, videos, documents, and more. Tap it, and you'll see everything you recently downloaded from the internet, messaging apps, browsers, and email. If you don't see the folder immediately, tap the Browse, Internal Storage, or Categories tab at the bottom. Then scroll until you find Download. Every Android brand places it slightly differently, but it's always there. You can also sort or filter your downloads by date or file type using the menu button in the top corner. If you are using Chrome or another browser, you can view download directly inside the app by tapping the three dots menu, selecting downloads and opening your file from there. And for those who like using search, just use the search bar inside your Files app and type download, and the folder will show up instantly.